Hi, I'm Sophia. I'm here to introduce you to AP-GTR1000 Outdoor Antenna supporting lightning surge protection function. For the GPS antenna server, a high-performance outdoor GPS antenna can be used in various environments. The outdoor GPS antenna supports IP67 rating for dust and water resistance and UV protection. And it supports various multi-frequency bands in addition to the L1, L2 bands for GNSS services. In particular, the strong attenuation feature for signals coming outside of the GNSS frequency band can dramatically increase the signal-to-noise ratio even when installed near cellular, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth signals, and provides excellent location stability for GNSS signals and reliability. This outdoor GPS antenna supports excellent out-of-frequency band signal attenuation function. And it also supports a noise filtering function smaller than 2.2 dB, and this function can minimize the signal quality degradation due to loss in the GNSS signal transmission line. The outdoor high-performance GPS antenna is equipped with a surge protection function to prevent damage to the antenna and equipment due to lightning strikes. This is AP-GTR1000 GPS NTP server demonstration with Type B lightning surge protection outdoor GPS antenna.